Okay, if your patio or walkway is starting to look like this, I may have found a simple solution. Nusu has gifted me this garden cleaning shovel, and after using it, I'm glad they did. Before we get started, here's everything included: the cleaning blade, 4 handle sections, and the hardware needed for assembly. Assembly is straightforward. Simply connect the handle sections, attach a blade with included screws, and you're ready to go. The handle is adjustable, allowing you to customize the length up to 64 inches. Now, what stood out to me immediately is the wide 9.1-inch metal blade. It's heavy duty, feels sturdy, and covers a larger area with each pass. Now for the real test. Instead of pulling weeds by hand, I simply angled the blade into the cracks and scraped forward. It cuts through moss, weeds, and build-up debris surprisingly easily. I also tried it along the side of my house where weeds tend to grow along the foundation. The flat blade made a quick work of those areas too. After using it, I can see why people like this tool. It's simple, easy to assemble, and saves a lot of bending and pulling by hand. It's definitely a tool I'll keep using around the yard for a long time.